Okay, in this lesson, we read the page 28 about everyday technology, the unit 5. Today is Tuesday, 23rd June 2020. Topic: Everyday technology. Performance: discovering the history about the telephone, the computer. Okay, page 28. Please copy that in your notebook. I give you the information that you have in this paragraph, and then you read and answer 3 questions. Telephones. The telephones have existed since 1876. Okay? When you need to call with somebody, you use this telephone, but you need an operator connected you to the person that you want to call. No, it's directly. No, you need other person that help you to connect. Then, in 1930, the phone has dials. You could call someone directly. You need other person that you help, and with this phone, you can call with the other person directly. And now you can transmit videos while you talk. Okay, this is in the present. You can use the telephone. This is the history of the telephone. Yes, I need that you understand that. In this, you need other person to call, and with that, you call someone directly, and now you can transmit videos, and you can look the other person when you call. The computers. The first computer was very, very big. Okay, look, you can't look that in one room. Look, it's very big. And then smaller. And they create a small chip, and you can have a personal computer. And someday in the future, near future, the computers will be able to think and feel just like humans. This is the history of the computer, and very big, and then smaller, and in the future, like human. And answer this question. This is the activity. I know that you know the answer. Yo sé que saben la respuesta. The question asks, what did a telephone operator do? Why did the newspaper call the giant brain? Why? How long have cell phones been around? And this is the cell phone. Okay, this is the activity of today. If you need to read the article, you can do it or answer the question. Okay, my student, bye. See you.